Greetings. I want to introduce you to the Pro 500 air freshener dispenser, fan operated. It covers approximately 500 square feet, and you can place it on a table, you can place it on a shelf, place it on the floor, or you can wall mount it. For instance, if you have long hallways that need to be covered in lobbies, you can place them about 30 feet apart, 30 to 40 feet apart per machine. Depending on your scent and your airflow, you can play with that. Sometimes you only need one, sometimes you need two in an area just to cover it in stereo. And the good thing about that is you can start with the minimal amount and then add to it. Okay, let's get started with opening the dispenser. The first thing you want to do is take a regular spoon. And you can see that this is where the smooth area is. That's the bottom of the machine. Just turn it around, and you place the spoon between the cover and the base and push out. And it just popped the cover off. You can see there's two slots, and then there's tabs that go into the two slots. You might not be able to see the tabs as well, but they're protrusions that just click in there. So once you've done that, you want to place your battery to the left. This protrusion here on the battery goes to the left, just like that, and the fan will be going. It'll last for approximately 90 days, sometimes 120, believe it or not, depending on how juiced up the battery is or what quality. You do want to use alkaline, which is the best type to use. Take your scent bar. Each one's individually sealed so they are fresh when they arrive. Place it in the machine, and then every 30 days, or if you have a lot of humidity, every 2 to 4 weeks, just add another one. Some of our customers like to mix and match, like they'll put in a green clover, and then maybe, hey, I wonder how it would smell with a pure sunshine or an orange peel. So that way you can get your own signature scent and have a lot of fun with it. Then you simply pop on the cover, and once again you can place it on a shelf. You can fasten it to the wall, or you can put it on a table or the floor. There's different sweet spots that you'll find. And once it's on the wall, you don't need the spoon. The way it's going to work is it'll be fastened to the wall pretty securely. So you use both hands and you pull down and out, and the cover will come off. Generally the scent bar doesn't fall out, but this is a video that I made, so I have to look at my own law, which is Charlie law, kind of like Murphy's law. Anyways, that's very simple. If you have any questions, give us a call, email us, and we will get back to you. A live person will get back to you. It won't be AI. It'll be one of us. There's a few of us that work here, 3 of us. So thanks again, and have a great smelling day.